The Numberdomus brings you this video. This is Vladimir Putin's birth year. Multiply, split in half, 19 times 52 is 988. And you'll get 576 when you do 9 times 8 times 8. Now, watch what happens when you do 5 times 7 times 6. You get 210. We go back to 1952. And you'll also match up the 210. Now, again, we go back to this. If you do the 1952 and then 9 times 88, you get this 792. Putin's born on the 7th date, and 9 plus 2 is 11. So that's 911. Now, here's what happens when you do this. The 79 times 2, Jesuits, 815. And we're going to come back to this number also in just a second. And there's nothing with that. However, if you do 15 times 8, it's Illuminati. 120 to numbers. Now, Russia multiplied out, give you this result. Illuminati found on the 122nd day of the year. Illuminati 122. Satanists 122. Putin's birthday to Bilderberg Group. And again, Illuminati. Putin was born on the 7th date. And the Illuminati to Putin. There it is, 5/1/1776. Illuminati confirmed. Vladimir Putin. 7/7. He was born on the 7th date. Skull and Bones. 6/28/1832. That is 120 years. Illuminati to numbers. 120. Skull and Bones' first meeting is also 120. Illuminati 120. There's the Skull and Bones number. Putin's born on the 7th date. Here's the founding date of Skull and Bones, 6/28. 7/7. He's born on the 7th date. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7/7. Born on the 7th date. Freemasonry. Here's 313. Here's what the 313 is in correlation to. There it is again. We'll also notice Illuminati, found on the 122nd day of the year, 7/7 in weeks. Vladimir Putin was born in October. Freemasonry, 624. (785). He's born on the 7th day in the month of October. October is 78 to numbers. With 7 letters. Now, Jesuits, 8/15/1534. Illuminati, 122nd day of the year. Illuminati found in the 5th month. 366 days in leap year. Illuminati was found in leap year. Putin's born in leap year. 9/11. Illuminati found in the 5th month. Now we have his 216 pattern. 1952 is 210 to numbers, plus the year. There it is again, first 9/11 call. Just showed this part in the first part of the video. Putin to the Russian protest election fraud, 12/4/2011. And there it is again. Putin's born on the 7th date. He's born in October, which is 7 letters. First 9/11 call. There's the Jesuits founding date, 8/15 backwards. 8/15. And you can find this with Putin. Go to the Wikipedia page. And we're looking for the date of 12/4/2011. And there it is. Putin's birthday to Putin winning the presidential election on 3/4/2012. There it is. And again, 216. 3,100 weeks. Gotta go up to this Beslan school hostage crisis, and you will see that there were 31 attackers. Here's 777. 777 children were held as hostages. Illuminati, 120 to numbers, 31 attackers. The Uvalde school shooting, 5/24. Putin's 777 and Freemason pattern. His birth date to his first presidential election, 3/26/2000. There it is. Freemason compass, 47 degrees. 4 plus 7 is 11, and that would be 9/11. 7/7. He's born on the 7th date in October. 7 letters. Seven within the days. He's born on the 7th date. See the 33. We go back to that Beslan school hostage crisis. Where is that? We'll again see that more than 330 people died. The exact number is 333. But again, that's just magic, though. That's magic. Just magic. Putin multiplied out will give you this result. Here's the founding date of Skull and Bones, 628 contained. We'll go back to this. Putin was 47 years old in his first election. Just magically. You will also see there's Freemasonry, 624 contained. And Putin was born on the 7th. Putin's birth date to when he's sworn in as Russia's president, 5/7/2000. And again, 7/7/7. 4 plus 7 is 11, and that will form 9/11 when you add the 7 and 4 across that way. And again, 777 children were held hostage in that crisis. Where is it? Let's go back to that again. So again, you'll see that it was magically 777 children. Not 778, not 776, but magically 777. That's just magic, though. On 7/14/2007, Putin suspends negotiations with the armed forces in Europe. And that's a 7/7/7 date. You can also remember that date because Ivana Trump magically died on that date as well, but that's magic too. 7th month, 7th related year, 14 is 7 plus 7. So we go down 7/14. There it is. There's the date. Suspense. Putin promoted to active state counselor, separation of 624 in days, 4/3/97. By 5/25/2018, Putin announces he won't run again in 2024. Seven-month separation, born on the 7th date in October, 7 letters. 8 minus 1 is 7. But that's just magic, people. That's all it is. It's just magic. Go back to this school siege. Where's this thing again? And you will see there's a 71 right here in the seconds. He just magically went on to receive 71% of the vote in the second term. Just magically, 71%. Not 72, but magically 71. That's just magic, though, people. It's all it is. It's magic. I'm going to go to Putin again. Let's go to his later years to find that in quicker detail. There it is. Here is Putin's 9/11 pattern. Putin's mother and father were both born in 9/11 years. Putin started school on 9/11 of 1960, and the Beslan school siege went on for 3 days, started on 9/1/2004 to 9/3/2004. 9 plus 2 is 11. It started in the 9th month and saw 1,100 people being held hostage. Russia was established in the year 862, which is containing skull and bones 628. 628. 1952, Putin minus Russia beginning in 862 will give you 1090, and add the numbers from left to right and you will get 911. 9 plus 0 plus 1 equals 10, and that's 911 backwards. Now, here's a look at his parents. So that was a lot to take in. We're going to really show in detail with this. Go to his early life. So there's his mother and father. He's the youngest of 3. There's the father, 9/11. Died in 999. There's more with that number in just a few moments. There's his mother, 9/11. And then you will see here, 9/1/1, he begins school. But that's just magic. That's all it is. It's magic. Putin's birth date to when he becomes Deputy Chief of Presidential Staff, 3/26/1997. There it is, Freemasonry 624. There it is. There's the date. We'll also notice there's 322 in the seconds. And go back to that school siege here. Putin's born on the 7th date, October, 7 letters. And you will see that this school siege occurred on a 322 coordinate, but that's just magic. Also notice, you'll see the 311-3. 313 is there as well. And remember, that his full name to numbers is also magically 313. But that's just magic. That's all it is. That's magic. It all contains. It's all there. But again, at the end of the day, it's just magic, people. These numbers are beyond the matrix. You just don't line numbers on this level over and over and over again. This is beyond impossible. This is beyond the matrix, what you're seeing here. Just to see how old Putin was during this attack, 9/1/2004. He is 51. So, at least there's not a 51 coordinate, because that would be even more sketchy, but there's not. So that's obviously what you want. You don't want the numbers to line up. That's the goal. But with these cats, that's almost impossible for that not to happen. But again, the goal is for the numbers not to line up. The problem is the numbers lining up. That's what the issue is. Go back to this. You'll see there's 19 days between. There's also 11 within the days. That's 9/11. And Putin started school on 9/11/96. That all contains the date he started school. 19116. That's just magic, though. That's all it is. 19116. And it's not even one number off at any point. It's not even one number off. That's just magic. Skull and Bones 322. It's contained within the weeks. Again, just magic. He's born in October. But that, again, that's just magic. That's all it is. There's 322 again. $830,000. Putin was involved in this bribery case. However, he was ultimately dropped from it. And you will see there's 9/11 within the minutes. 9/11. Freemason compass 47 degrees. The Trilateral Commission started on 7/23. Putin is born in the 10th month. Putin, to 5/25/1998, he's appointed First Deputy Chief of Presidential Staff. And there's the amount of days, but that's just magic. Here's 999 in the minutes, 999 within the hours. And if you go back and we look at his father again, let's see. We'll go back to his early life. You will see that his father died in 1999. And if you look at 1999, how all of this correlates to Putin. Oh, look at this. We showed 524 before in some of these numbers. There's when he ended one of his office terms, 524, Uvalde shooting, 524, but that's just magic again. See, he started a political affiliation from 1999 to 2001. His years of service. See, 1999. The lining of the nines. It's all there. See, he was in office. 2 plus 9 is 11. 999. You can see he's got some interesting numbers. Now you saw that his father died in 1999, and you might be wondering, does he have any sort of say in how he died, with Putin beginning a lot of his political career in 1999? Let's find out just for the hell of it. Let's just see what the numbers say. The Numberdamus has not even done this yet, so let's just see what happens. That's interesting. 329 to numbers. Go back up here. And he was in office till exactly 329, and his father's name to numbers is just magically 329. That's hella interesting. But again, that's just a magical coincidence. Just magic. Not coincidence whatsoever. Alright, what's his father's name? There's his father's name. Alright, so he died on 8/2/1999. Let's see what the numbers say. So Putin's birthday. Oh, boy. That's just magic, people. 71. You remember this when we just showed you that he had received exactly 71% of the vote in his second term? Did you remember that? Let's go back to this. Look at this, just magic. The pyramids completed in the year 171. Remember, the devil reads scripture. That's just magic. Here it is, 9/11. 9/11. That's just magic, though. That's all it is. It's magic. Here's the Freemasonry, 624. Putin is a Royal Arch Freemason. Here's 714 contained. We just talked about that 714 right here when he announced that Russia would suspend implementation on the Treaty of the Armed Forces in Europe, so that even has a significance to what he does. That's just magic, though. That's all it is. It's magic. Go back to Putin. 8/9/1999. There's this date. All the nines just line up. It's just magic. Just magic. Now, Putin, to his 54th birthday, and what this is going to correspond to is this event. It was a Russian journalist who got killed on his birthday, but that's just magic too. Is this person here. She died on Vladimir Putin's birthday. She was killed in the lobby of her apartment complex. Trilateral Commission, found on 723. Illuminati to numbers 120. Freemason compass 47 degrees. Putin, 33rd degree, Royal Arch Freemason. You will also notice that in the minutes it contains 11/28. Now again, What's the 1128 going to correlate to? The Grand Druid Council was found on 1128, also known as the Ancient Order of Druids. Go back to the school siege. So you can see this school siege played a huge role with Vladimir Putin. Let's go back to this. There it is. In 2005, the government total was put out at 1128. You will see that this attack started magically on 9/11. It came in the 9th month, and there was approximately 1,100 hostages, but that's just magic too. That's all just magic. It started on 9/11. Oh boy. Okay, let's just find out. Let's see what the numbers say in terms of this attack to actual 9/11. Huh. 11 months. There was 1,100 hostages. That's magic again. Illuminati 122. So, with that all out, the Nostradamus predicts Vladimir Putin's death arrives by no later than February 1st of 2041. It arrives by that time frame. Vladimir Putin does have Parkinson's disease. Typically, those with Parkinson's disease do not live above 20 years. This is 19 years from 2022. And you could see the numbers. Showed you the 144 already with Vladimir Putin. There's the 7. He's born on the 7th date. In October, 7 letters. At the absolute earliest, the Nostradamus predicts that it could also come a lot earlier in the year 2030 on a date pertaining to the month of September. September 9/16/2030, but the Nostradamus is projecting that 2030, the year, would be the earliest to see it happen, or no later by 2041. So the Nostradamus predicts Vladimir Putin will not outlive the year 2041. It arrives in the time frame of 2022 up until 2041. That's the time frame of his passing that the Nostradamus predicts. Using the year 2030, you will see these numbers: 628. Skull and Bones found him on 628. (2030) 260. (229). And 2 plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 9 is 11. That's 9/11 twice. And there's nothing with that. (2041) 278. 3 minus 2 is 1, and that's 9/11 again. And that all corresponds with that school siege that took place on Vladimir Putin's presidency, which started on a time of 9/11. Again, let's go back to that. It was the siege again with the school. You will see that the start time of that was 9/11. There's the 9/11. Started in the 9th month, 1,100 hostages. And remember the other 9/11 with his father? Go back to his father. May 2, 1999. The 9/11 is there. 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9. That's 9/11 across. And you can see he was born in a 9/11 correlated year. And let's see one more thing. Let's just find out about his mother. To see if this has any correlation to Vladimir Putin. This will give you a little bit of an insight of how the Nostradamus can find information, which you can see ahead of time, actually. Alright, so you can see she died on 7/6/1998. 7/6/1998, right there. So you can see, without having to add any of the numbers, you have to actually kind of look. Some of the numbers are there, and we'll show you. Putin was born on the 7th date. She died on 7/6 at 86 years old. 2 plus 9 is 11. Mark of the Beast, 144. Putin starts his presidential terms on 5/7. Illuminati to numbers 120. Vladimir Putin finished one of his terms, remember, on 5/24. Let's go back to that. Actually at the top. It was this one right here. You can see he was in office until 5/24. There's the 5/24 in the minutes. Remember we mentioned the skull and bones number 322? You can also see that's when he arranged the Russian military to send military medics to Italy. 322 skull and bones. So you can see Putin's got some very interesting numbers, and they're not even one number off. Absolute latest death date, earliest of the year 2030. The latest death year, 2041. Countdowns have started.